Hi everyone, I'm Mishkaat from MishMath, and today we're going over question 32 from Form 25 MC5. Now, in front of us, we have an expression that we have to find the equivalent form of. To solve this open-ended question, we actually have to find the factors of the numerators, find the factors of the denominators, find the common factors between both the numerator and the denominator, cancel those out, and get a simplified form of this expression. So go ahead and find the factored form of the numerator. When we have negative 3x cubed plus 12x, we can remove the common factor, which is 3x in this case. On the inside, we end up with negative x squared plus 4. Now, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared, which is the difference of squared. Now, the equivalent form of this expression is just a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Now, negative x squared plus 4 converts to negative x plus 2 times x plus 2 to get back negative x squared plus 4. Now, when we combine them together, we end up with 3x times negative x plus 2 times x plus 2. Now let's go ahead and find the factored form of the denominator. So when we do x cubed minus x squared minus 6x, x is the only common factor here, so let's go ahead and remove that out. On the inside, we end up with x squared minus x minus 6, x squared minus x minus 6 into factored form. We essentially are looking for two roots that can multiply to negative 6 and add up to negative 1. That ends up being negative 3, positive 2. Now, combining all the terms in the denominator, we have x times x minus 3 times x plus 2. I hope we get some common factors here. Now, after setting up the numerator on top and the denominator on the bottom, we can cancel out the common factors. It looks like x plus 2 is definitely a common factor. X is another common factor. When we eliminate those, we end up with 3 times 2 minus x divided by x minus 3. We still want to distribute the 3 with the 2 and the negative x, and that would give us 6 minus 3x divided by x minus 3. And then the answer ends up being J.